Hello, welcome to this first introductory part of the course, and our course is called Information System Security. It is a 3-credit course which will actually be delivered in 90 hours. 30 hours will be devoted for lecturing, 20 hours for practical, 10 hours for tutorials or seminars, 10 hours for assignment, and 20 hours for independent studies. So that makes a total of 90 hours. The objective of our Information System Security course is to introduce the whole concepts of information security management systems to students. But the second objective is to introduce the security-related issues to IT infrastructure, particularly networks, databases, and applications. The last but not least objective is to provide students with knowledge and skills of designing security countermeasures for IT infrastructure. Well, very briefly, the course content is divided into 3 parts. The first part is on introduction, whereby you will be introduced on the key concepts of information security and fundamental principles of governance of information security. In this part, the issues and related to governance of information security in various organizations will be looked on. And the second part is actually the cryptography, whereby the issue or the concepts of encryption and decryption of information or messages will be presented during the lecture. So the cryptography part also will address issues related to asymmetric and symmetric cryptography. The key aspect or categories of classical techniques, which are transposition and substitution cipher, will be looked on. The third part of the course content will look into how we address the issue of network security, as particularly most organizations really relies on information. They rely on transmitting information from one point to another. So this section will look into how the informations which are transmitted from one point to another will be safeguarded, particularly on security related to email, access to internet resources, receiving or sending data over the internet or intranet environment. The parts or this section also will address issues related to authentication technologies which are applicable, and it will address also some concepts on certificate of authority, in short CA, and challenges which are surrounding the areas. Access control will also be discussed, and some methods of accessing, like at the operating system level, well, authentication at WW, and the issue of integration or distributed systems. While some technologies related to firewall will also be discussed during the course, and we'll look further into analyzing log analysis related concepts. At the end of the course, then you are expected to have a deep understanding of information security. You'll be able to understand or protect or to put down or design some measures of information systems from different threats surrounding the environment in which your respective organizations are operating. You'll be also in a position to develop some managerial skills as far as information security is concerned. We have 2 major readings that you need to have. We have a reading called Security in Computing, 4th edition, Prentice Hall International, starting from 2006, which is written by P. Fletcher. And the second is actually on cryptography and network security, the 5th edition, or the latest edition if you have, by Prentice Hall of 2011, written by William Stallings. In addition to the readings, I'll be also making some videos which will be available on the learning management system. And I'll require you to go through this video, to view the videos before coming to the next sessions. So basically, you'll be utilizing the learning management system in terms of viewing the videos, downloading the materials, and also doing some assignment or a main project which you are supposed to do as well. So basically, this is a brief about the course that we need to undertake for the next weeks. So with these few remarks, hope to meet you in the next session. I will actually talk about the entirety of information security. Thank you very much, and meet you in the next session.